Hi, Lori, GLP-1 Journey in Review. Today I received my medication from Perfect RX, which is basically orderly meds, and we're going to open it up. If you find this information useful at all, please hit that like and subscribe button and notification button so you don't miss out on any of this important information. And it really does help the channel. So, UPS literally just dropped this off a couple minutes ago. Fairly big box for one vial, but it is smaller than some of the others. Some of them actually come in a full-size cooler. So we're going to open this up. I ordered this 28th, late in the day, so depending on how you want to look at it, it's either 7 or 7.5 days since I ordered it from Orderly. This is the time, people, to stock up on your compounding because we don't know what's going to happen to it. So if you haven't yet, start stocking up. Not an easy open box, but don't worry, I'm determined to get it. And all else fails, use brute strength. It's coming. Okay. So, this is what came inside. These are instructions on where to inject, how to dispose of the needle, how to prepare your supplies. This little foil. I brought a scissors. Let's see. Ice pack, somewhat melted, but still cold. A prescription bottle, alcohol wipes. I do not see any syringes. Aha! Left in the box, 8 syringes. Let's see, 75 units. So the directions are on the little medicine bottle, which has the vial inside. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 alcohol wipes. And the vial of medication. The vial itself does not have the directions, so I will leave it in this little medicine bottle. And there you have it. This there came here. One ice pack, pretty well melted, but still pretty cool. And this is from Perfect RX. Now tomorrow I'm supposed to be getting mine from Orderly. I think they used Empower. I'm going to open that too. And the magic of video, it'll be on the same video just following this. So stay tuned for Orderlies. Hi everybody, Lori, GLP-1 Journey in Review. So I got my shipment from Mochi Empower. I ordered it. Took 10 days from order to delivery. It was actually supposed to be here yesterday, but FedEx delayed it by 1 day. So it comes in this container, which is actually a little bit smaller than it has been in the past. That's one thing I liked about Mochi's pharmacy. Akita is the little cooler, a very small footprint, and I kind of enjoyed that. So let's open up this bad boy and see what we got. Just a side note, I ordered some on Tuesday. Today is Friday, and I got the notification from FedEx that it'll be here on Monday. So 6 days, 7 days, not bad. Hopefully Mochi's gotten over their problems with these long delays. So this is the cooler it came in, just so you can get the idea of the size. Again, it's a little bit smaller. A note to refrigerate. The note's cold, so that's a good sign. And what it contains. It has 1, 2, 3 cold packs, still very cold. One little package here from Empower. Let's open this up. Easier said than done. Have no worries, I brought a scissors. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 syringes. Alcohol wipes. Alcohol wipes. Syringes. And let's see where they're hiding my vial. There it is. It says in the email to check everything that the vial is there and separated. So there's my prescription. 0.88 ml, 88 units, subcutaneous, 4 weeks. And the bud date is 11/29/25. So, not bad. And that is the delivery. Latest from Mochi Empower. Still cold. Probably would have been cold another day or two. So, there you have it.